Hi guys, hello again. So in this video I am going to unbox this C920 Pro HD webcam by Logitech. In my last video I showed you guys about this JBL Quantum 300 headset. One more, one more, one more, and so many more. In this video, first of all I am going to tell you that I am recording this video from this camera only, so you guys can pretty sure see a look for yourselves the video quality, but I am not using the inbuilt microphone in that webcam. I will be using the microphone in this headset. I can use that also, that is pretty good, but nearer the better. So I'm using the microphone of this headphone, and there are a lot of this, but I'm going to unbox only one for you, this one. So before unpacking this tiny box, I'm going to tell you that this is really expensive. It's more expensive than this headphone. So I bought it for approximately 6900 plus 18% GST, as this is an electronic device, so total would be around 8100 or 8200 approximately. Yes, you guys can see, just a second, if there is an MRP written on this. Serial number, net quantity, one packet. No, there is no MRP written on this box. Okay, and I have been using this since more than an year, and this is C615 by Logitech, and this is also pretty good webcam including microphone. But this C615 has only one microphone. This C920 has two inbuilt microphone in this, and the audio quality for this C615 is mono. However, the audio in this is in C920 is stereo. Yes, the MRP is written. MRP is 12,995. See, MRP here. Okay, and I have also used C270, C505 before, but now I'm going to upgrade C615 from C615 to C920, which is really a bit expensive, I say. The C6115 and C920 both webcams offer full HD video recording capabilities on Zoom, Google Meet, etc. But the Logitech C920 delivers more consistent high resolution video image and image quality than Logitech C615 here. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to open this adhesive tape. Yes, see what is in the inside the box. There are only two things. One is this one, the user manual, and second is this webcam. So okay, I opened it. It is wrapped in a poly bag, so you first have to remove this to open this. I'll show you. Here, see, so you can just put it on the top of your monitor or laptop and place it there and adjust it. See, the two microphones, one is on the left and one is on the right. You can also remove this plastic before using it, but I didn't remove it yet. So telling you one or two more things about this. Yes, the field of view is only 78 degree in C615 and in C920, in both of them. The microphone is stereo, and uh, the compatibility of these devices are with you can put it on Mac, Android, Chrome OS, Windows, etc, etc. The photo quality, the image resolution in C615, the megapixels of this lens is 8 MP, while in this C920 is 15 MP. So of course you will get a more consistent high resolution. This you can record the video in 30 fps in both 1080p and 720p, same provides by C615 by Logitech. And you can see the autofocus of this. See, it focused automatically on this Logitech. Now if I place it here, now see, in a bit of second it changes its focus, so it's really good. So that's all guys, see you in my next video.